wanted to show you how you can decipher your chords from other people that might have similar chords to you. This is how I have deciphered my chord. And I see my tape has come off, so I'm just going to add some more tape to it. This is a washi that I got out of a stationery pack from, I think this was from the $5 Michael's bag. So I'm just gonna rewrap this tautly. From top to bottom on this little area here. And then just when you're satisfied with the wrap, you just tear off the washi, and there you have a personalized chord detector. And some of that tape has come off somehow, some way. So I am going to take off what's on there, and then I'm going to re-tape it. I do this to easily identify my chord from other people's chords. So there you have it, retaped on both ends so that I can easily identify my chord with washi tape. Do you identify your chords? Let me know.